Welcome. If you've ever accidentally restricted someone on Messenger, or maybe you just want to reconnect with someone you previously limited, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to unrestrict a chat on Messenger so you can get back to chatting without any barriers. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the changes. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. This is where you'll find all your settings and options. Next, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. This will open up a list of features you can customize for your Messenger experience. Keep scrolling until you see the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on that to continue. Inside the Privacy and Safety section, you'll find different controls for who can contact you and how your conversations are managed. Look for the option that says Restricted Accounts and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the people you've restricted on Messenger. Now, it's time to find the person you want to unrestrict. Scroll through the list and select their name. Once you've tapped on their profile, you'll see an option that says Unrestrict. Go ahead and tap that button. That's it. You've just unrestricted that person, and now your messages will go back to normal. You'll both be able to see when each other is active, and your chats will appear in your main inbox again. It's a quick and easy process, and you can repeat these steps for anyone else you want to unrestrict. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.